As the coronavirus rapidly spreads overseas, New York City is preparing.
That we have to act on the assumption that there will, unfortunately, be cases sooner rather than later in New York City.
The outbreak in Wuhan, a central city in China with 11 million people, has now infected over 1,000 people across the globe, taking the lives of dozens. So far, there have been 2 confirmed cases in the U.S., one in Washington state, the latest, a woman in her 60s in Chicago. And the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says it is expecting more Americans to be diagnosed with the virus. New York City Mayor Bill de Blasio.
But we have to prepare to keep our people safe, and we are now in a very vigilant, active stance.
The city's top doctor says the deadly respiratory illness comes with flu-like symptoms.
There is no vaccination for this illness. We know that it can be transmitted from individual to individual, but we don't yet know how easy that transmission can be.
The virus is casting a shadow over the Lunar New Year this weekend, China's biggest, most festive holiday, and is shutting down public places in the country like Shanghai Disneyland out of fear of it spreading more. Fears were felt on Wall Street, too, with the Dow Jones losing 170 points and the S&P 500 posting its worst day in 3 months. Airlines, hotels, and other businesses are also taking hits, with health officials asking people to avoid unnecessary travel to Wuhan. Travelers who are on incoming flights from China are being screened at multiple airports, including JFK.
Deeply concerned about where this may be taking us.
And city officials are asking if you have traveled to the city of Wuhan and have any suspected symptoms, go to the doctor immediately. In the meantime, the Lunar New Year parade in our area tomorrow will go on. It will be in Flushing, Queens. The mayor is expected to march. We're live in the newsroom tonight. Jennifer Bisram, Pix 11 News.